The pursuit of happiness, it is a wasteful mindset that makes you weak. There's this quote that says, the foolish man seeks happiness in the distance, while the wise man grows it under his feet. You got to make it a reality, boys. And you have to understand, no one is happy 100% of the time. No one. And that is okay, because happiness is an emotional state. And like all emotional states, they are never constant, even if you have all the money in the world. Right? You'll never be constantly motivated. You'll never be constantly happy. You'll never be constantly sad. You'll never be constantly stressed. You'll never be constantly excited or angry. See, all emotions pass. And if you only work and move towards your goals only when you're happy, excited, or motivated, think about it. You're probably only moving and making moves 10% of your life. And that's why that quote that I talked about previously, that Iliad Kapochi said, only those who are disciplined are actually free in life. Those that are undisciplined are slaves. You are a slave to your emotions. And once you understand that, now you can comprehend, others are weak. Once you understand that others and yourself, by the way, everybody deals with this, including me, are weak because of this mindset, you can become strong in your actions. That's why I preach discipline so much, right? So once you fully comprehend this, then you can say, all right, I will now work no matter what my emotions are. I will now pursue no matter what my emotions are, right? Whether that is talking to more girls, going to the gym, building your business, studying harder in school, whatever you're trying to pursue, whatever greatness you want, you will work no matter what you feel. And that is how you become strong while the rest of the men stay weak. Which takes me to an interesting point of, you're perfect the way you are. And you have to understand that that is an utter lie. Happy people, the people that only operate on emotion, are only happy when they force change down other people's throat, right? No. Fat is good. Being fat is a good thing. So everybody believes being fat is a good thing, and now I'm happy. However, strong people can face reality. Strong people can understand there's 8 billion people in the world. 90+% probably believe that being fat is both unhealthy and unattractive. I can either try to change 8 billion people, which is ludicrous, or I can change myself, knowing that not only will it benefit my health in the long term of my life, but also I was able to stare the truth in the face and then make an action to it. That's strong. Why do you guys think I work so hard when it comes to producing products? When it comes to talking about leveling yourself up? Because I saw that in my own personal life. I looked in the mirror, I saw what I didn't like, now we fix it. This is why every product that I design, it's because I felt there was a hole in the market and I could do it better. That could level my day up and hopefully level your day up. For example, our shower routine with He Grew Me. I've always thought that those 2 and 3-in-1 products, they don't do a man justice, right? You're a man's man. You need high quality products. You need something that makes you feel good. And scientifically, we know when you smell good, your self-perception increases. And that's what I wanted to do with our shower bundle. Our shower bundle, for example, no one else does this. I import oils from France and Italy. So every time you shower with our stuff, you're showering with basically a high-end fragrance. You step out the shower with the best user experience you could possibly have with. Did I kill that bastard? With shower products and with an elevated self-perception. Which, by the way, if you guys want to check out the shower bundle, it will be linked down below. You guys can get 50% off if you subscribe for your first month. Which takes me to number 4. Happiness is a byproduct. You can become happy from the state you create. In other words, happiness is not something your brain just gives it to you for free. You had to earn it for you must have done something to trigger that happiness. For example, all those grueling hours in the gym that you went when you didn't want to go, or all those grueling hours awake or early in the morning building a business when nothing was working. All those rejections that you used to get from girls. Now you're standing at the peak of the mountain and you're looking back at the shadow of what you used to be. And now you move confidence. Now you move, quote unquote, happy because you feel accomplished with yourself. You created that, which takes you to number 5. Those trials and tribulations are a great thing. Every person needs to be their own main character. You have to go through your own character arc. You have to go through fire to harden yourself. You will not be happy if you've never gone through struggle. You need a comparison. There is no light without darkness. There is no happiness without trials and sadness. In other words, you have to go through that pain to see the possibilities of what you can create, to see just how good of a life you've been able to build because you went through that. And now when you do go through that again, you won't go through the same pain and struggle. You've been there before. This is your comfort zone now, which ultimately takes you to number 6. You got to be your own rock. Look, it's great to have others around you in a support system. They won't always be there. That's not going to be you 100% of the time, right? And you have to understand that when you do hit your lowest, if you ever do, all those people are gone. That's the reality of mankind. Most of them, 90+%, will leave. That's just the reality of it. That means it's going to be you and your mind. And your second mind, it can be a pussy sometimes. That's the one that's telling you to stop, don't go too hard, relax, don't do this, save yourself. So you're going to have to learn how to live with that. And you're going to have to learn how to fight that internally and beat that every single time you're trying to do something difficult. But when you do, you will become hardened. You will become your own rock.